what's going on, everybody? Today I bring you snacks from Japan. We went ahead and ordered from Tokyo Treats about a month ago, and they shipped it directly from Tokyo. So we're gonna crack this box open and see how tasty these snacks are. This out. That looks pretty cool. So we paid about $30 for this. There was a promo code that we used. There you go.
Pretty cool. They got a lot of stuff on here.
There you go. Check that out.
Check this out later.
Yep.
Alright. First item. What do you want to do? There's a lot of items packed into here.
So just to show you, this is what he was looking at. It says Easter surprise, April theme. Alright, so let's get going on this.
You want to try these?
Sure. What is this?
I don't know.
Now, do they have any of this in English? Because
nope.
I don't know Japanese.
Me either. But it's a cool bag, I'm not going to lie. I just love the colors that like, all the snacks have. Really
Are those like maybe the peas?
It might be chips.
Oh, okay.
Let's say chips.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that in there. I can't try those. They gave us 2 of those. Look.
Yep.
Of course, it's like Doritos. Look at
Is it really?
There's nothing in there. Man, worth to try though.
Yep. What does it taste like?
I like these. They have a small, tiny kick at the end of them. I like them.
Yeah.
It's a good flavor. Kind of hard to explain.
It's I don't know how to explain. Yeah,
It
really
has like a barbecue kind of feel to it.
Oh, it does. It's like those kettle cooked chips with a slight flavor of barbecue. That's
Those
what it
are
tastes
really
like
good.
to me. So, not bad at all. Moving on.
Let's do these. Ooh, milk and coffee taste.
Okay.
Just milk coffee.
Check that out. Very nice. Let's see here.
Okay. I'm gonna get a couple for myself. And then you get a couple for yourself.
Okay, sure. I'll just try it.
So this is what they look like.
Wow, it looks like little beans. Little coffee bean. Not bad.
Barely tastes coffee.
It's like one of those like corn snacks with like a little chocolate flavor.
That's what they are. It's pretty good. But it's like something you can get from here.
It's not bad at all.
These look really good.
What is this?
I don't know, but I'm excited to try them.
You might have to figure out what these are and look them up.
I don't know. I might get more of these.
Yep.
I'm gonna take 2. Oops. If I don't drop them.
So, apparently these have... There you go. These look like little mini brownies right here.
They're shaped like hearts.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Like when you bite into it, it gets soft, but like on the outside, it's got like a harder shell.
It's crunchy. I like that.
Yeah, so it's not bad. Different, but not bad at all.
It's like a crisp.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this.
Oh wow. So we got a few.
That's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. It has, I think, a different character on each one of them.
Oh yeah, there's 4 of these.
Why does this have like a little pocket right here?
I'm not sure. Maybe that's just for, you know, so when they store it, you know, or when they put it in the store, they're probably hanging up with this little thing right here. That's probably why.
Put it right here and do that one in a little bit.
Yep.
All right.
What's next?
We got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we certainly do.
Let's do this. One up, some top.
Yep, there, I'll open it.
Let me see. Looks really good.
Yep.
Good size. Ooh, I'm excited for this.
Yep, here we go.
Let me see what it looks like.
Try that.
Alright. That's what they look like.
What is it?
Let me see. They're little puffs.
Oh, chocolate puffs?
Yeah.
Wow, it's quite a bit of that. Not bad. Here's what it looks like right there. There you go.
Those are good.
It literally tastes like puff with a tiny bit of chocolate on it.
It's good though. It's not overpowering. Chocolate.
No, not at all.
I don't even know what this is, but I'm excited to try it.
Oh, it says on the back in English.
What?
Corn potage or potage.
Potage. Okay. Alright, same thing. Oh, I'm gonna get that
Maybe
one.
that's why you open it like this.
Go ahead.
Let's see.
Yeah, weird taste, but I like them.
It's like sweet corn puffs. There it is. And then here's this again.
It's different, but I like it.
Yeah,
I like all of it so far.
very, very different. Which is why we get these.
It's really good. This seems to be a rice cake.
Mm-hmm.
I know I'm gonna enjoy this because I love rice. Rice cakes are the best, honestly.
Yep.
Alright. Just break a little piece off myself. Alright, there you go.
It's Komiko bar rice cake.
I like this one a lot
What it
more.
looks like. This one's actually a little bit sweeter than the ones we've tasted in the past.
Yeah, but it's got a better flavoring to it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I really like the flavor of
What do we
this.
do next? You wanna try this?
So we have, this feels like another, oh man, it looks like it's supposed to be one piece.
It's supposed to be another.
Maybe like another rice bar.
Let's see. I'm gonna go slowly so I can do a piece myself. Alright, there you go. Whoa.
So here's what it looks like. Like that. Okay.
Put in your mouth.
Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I need some water. It's got a really sour taste to it.
It's like a sweet sour candy. Like the fizziness of what is it? I'm trying to think of what it is. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't know. It's really sour. That's
It's
all.
very, very sour, fizzy candy on the outside of it.
Mm-hmm.
So right when you put it in your mouth, it's like an explosion of sweet sourness. You're expecting
I was expecting like a corn snack to be a little, slightly sweet, but man, this thing, oof,
it's crazy.
weird.
Let's do these last.
Not
Alright.
bad.
Huh?
It wasn't bad.
Banana Kit Kats. Easter break. These are pretty nice. I love Kit Kats.
These are cool. All right, let's see here.
Pretty cool.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. There we go. Let's just we're gonna take one and split it.
Yeah.
So, it's coming. It's coming. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let it focus. All right. You'll get it. There you go. All right.
I'll get the bigger one.
Sure.
It's good.
You haven't even tried it.
So good.
You can definitely taste the banana. That's really good.
I love Kit Kat, so.
A really unique flavor, and I like it. All right. Next we have.
These seem to be like lollipops.
Okay, so we're not gonna try that right now.
Yeah, because this one you dip it. This one you dip it in like some fizzy powder that's in there. I can feel it when I shake it.
Uh huh.
And this one, just a lollipop.
Yep.
This one we might be able to try. You want to do this?
Sure. Sure. Let's do that. What is that?
It says DIY chocolate and banana chewing candy.
Oh, so it's like same thing. You dip,
Yeah.
and then you make your own chocolate chewing candy.
Just put it away for that.
All right. Let's put. All right. We have a few left.
You want to try these or do you want to do these?
Let's do that. Let's keep going.
All right. It's like a little egg.
Looks like jelly beans.
That's what I'm thinking as well. But now in Japan, it's not just jelly beans. It's gonna be something Very interesting. Alright.
Let's see what it is.
There you go. Okay. What is this?
Oh, so it's like the shell is kind of like a case for the jelly beans.
How do you open it?
Here, I got it. Or do I? Hang tight.
Get the paper again.
Like I can read Japanese?
Let's show pictures. Here.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Here.
Oh, don't be.
It slides out.
There you go.
Oh yeah, there you go.
When you're trying to pull it off, all you do is just push it.
And how's this?
Looks like Skittles.
Oh.
Here, you want some?
Yeah, sure.
M&M's.
Mm-hmm. In a fancy, easy open package. Not bad. Not bad at all.
That's why I like Japan, because they always have like right here. They have the directions like illustrated.
Even though you can't read their language,
It's illustrated.
got pictures. All right.
This is what I'm really excited for.
Pepsi J Cola.
It's like Sakura flavored.
Hmm.
All right.
That's cool. You want to crack it open?
Okay, look at the packaging.
Yeah, it's a unique bottle.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Let's see what this is.
Smells good too.
All right, you go first.
I like that a lot.
It's a different kind of Pepsi. That's for darn sure.
That's really good, right?
It's good and definitely made by Pepsi. You know, for the Japanese market.
Don't shake it up.
There you go. So, I don't know. What do you think it tastes like?
It's hard to explain. It's just let me get another taste.
Yeah, go ahead. I mean, yeah, it is hard to explain.
It has like a hint of like a little fruity, slight fruitiness, not like overpowering like the cherry Coca-Cola. I like this a lot better than cherry Coke.
Yeah, just a slight taste of cherry.
It's different. I like that.
Yep.
Just start from taking the
Yep.
bottom.
So we're just gonna take one of these that you saw earlier from the bottom. There we go. This is what it is. Bonus points if you can read that. All right. Oh, it smells like shrimp. That's interesting.
I know I've had this before.
Yep. I've definitely. Hence the shrimp picture on here. Duh.
Yeah, but I've had this one before.
Yeah, there's definitely a hint of shrimp on here, and like you can smell it right when you open the package. It's like a little corn snack with you know, I guess shrimp flavor.
So if you're not hungry for like something sweet, if you want something,
This would be
it's a good snack. It's
the
not
way to
bad.
go. Now so what we paid I said $30 for this. It's not too bad. It's just that it takes a while to get here because, you know, they have to ship it from Tokyo and then it has to go through customs and all this stuff. But for $30, I mean, we got a decent value of snacks. We just wanted to try it, you know, and see what we get. And I definitely like the variety, you know, of you know, sweets and non-sweets, and you know, with the drink. You know, would I recommend you get this? Yeah, sure, of course, I would recommend it. But you know, just know that you're not gonna get it in like 3 days. Having said all that, this is it for this video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.